Hello, good morning, and happy Friday, everyone. I'm gonna make this short video to kind of show you how you can use our new online digital payment platform to kind of pay the membership fees. So you can use the link in the WhatsApp, or you can come to our website, stlmarathimandal.org, and click on the button. There are plenty of opportunities on the website that you'll see this black button which says Stick STLMM membership. When you click on that, it goes to a separate page from Zephy.com. That's our online platform, which we use, which is completely free of charge. We being a not-for-profit organization, it's an awesome company from Canada that we have investigated, researched, and now using. So on that page, you'll see three membership options: family membership, single membership, and student membership. You can find out more about our organization on the top, or you can find out more by clicking on more details links here. So let's say I click on family membership. I understand what a family membership is. And then I click on select because I want to buy a family membership. Then the continue button appears here. I'm going to click on continue. And it's going to go to the second and the last page. It shows how many people have already purchased with you this week. We are having a great success with this platform. Already 16 plus members since we launched 24 hours ago has already purchased our membership. It asks only two questions. So besides your own name, because since you're purchasing it, we'll capture your email and your phone number and email address, I guess, not the phone number. But you can put your spouse's name, your kid's name that would attend the STLMM program. That's the first box. This box and the second box is, would you like to add another email address, right? Your email address would be collected, but would you like to have another email address associated with it? Now the second one, second important thing is another point of confusion in terms of why am I getting charged more than 160? As you can clearly see here, that we use a platform which does not take a cut out of our own kind of membership fees. Generally, if you use MasterCard, Visa, or something like that, they take 3 or 5% cut. We get all the $160, but Zephy kindly asked that, would you like to tip them? And that's why it is defaulted to 15%. You can go and choose to any other thing. You can say either $5, $2, $10, or $0, and it will only charge you 160 in this case if I choose 0. And then I can use my Android Pay. I can use all the things that are stored on my phone, or I can use a card. I can use my bank account. I can give my own information, as I said, my email, first name, last name, and I can buy. Once you buy, you'll get an automated email with your confirmation. You'll get a tax receipt, donation receipt saying that you have paid money to STLMM, which you can tax deduct. You'll also get your membership card. So this is a pretty easy system. This does not charge you every year. This is only one-time payment, and our fiscal year runs from August 1st to July 31st. So whenever you purchase the membership, that membership ends next July 2026. Yeah, that's it. I think those were the two questions. Kaivalya has already done a good job of explaining that in a WhatsApp message this morning, but we thought it would be great to kind of have a quick video summary as well. Thank you, and have a great day.